So today I'll be showing you how to use the flashlight on your Apple Watch. Now this is very simple. Every Apple Watch comes with a built-in flashlight. Now there's not going to be any torch on the sides. The screen is actually a flashlight. So what you want to do is press this button to go to the control center and then scroll and you shall see the flashlight option here. This one right here. So tap on it, that turns on the flashlight and it's a bit dim when it's when it's directed towards your face, but when you point it at something it becomes much brighter. Obviously I can't show you that, it's very difficult to show you in the lighting of the studio, but it works. And then you have some flashlight options. So for instance, if you scroll like that, you can have a blinking flashlight, okay, and if you scroll you can even have a red flashlight, okay, so that's going to be red. This one is blinking and this one is a steady bright white light, and anytime you want to say something, you can just point it like that and it's gonna show. When you're done using it, just press the crown and it's gonna disappear. So that is basically how to use the flashlight on your Apple Watch. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and good luck.